Alright, you're watching 1000 tips of procreate, and today I'm going to show you one little trick of using liquefy to have a kind of animation feeling and finally get the results of fire. Okay, and basically I just have a like using alien brush. Just got this gradient change from really yellow to really black, and then I can choose to liquefy, and then I'm going to choose the tool right or tool left, doesn't really matter, and I'm going to increase the size, pressure, distortion, all that to max. Okay, just trust me, it will work. Okay, once I've done that, I can just drag it up, and of course it's a it's a process, and that how much of you want to rotate, that really depends on you. Okay, so click hold. If I want to really the fire go up, I can just quickly drag it up. If you just hold it here, it will just rotate this way, and you don't want it. Okay, unless it's some of the effect that you want, or if you want some amazing effects like this, you can just click and hold, and while you are really satisfied with the specific moment, let it go. Okay, and it will move a little bit, and then it will fix at that specific moment. But for me right now, I like to move a little bit. Okay, so you got like a fire sort of feeling. Okay, just drag and move a little bit, drag and move a little bit. Of course, you can change the size. Okay, you can just get a really little tiny little fire. Okay, at the a really small area, that really add more variation to your drawing. Okay, so it's basically you are using that sort of swirl, but you quickly drag it up so you can get a fire sort of feeling. And of course you can swirl left and swirl right, so you got more fluctuation feeling, and increase the size. Okay, so you got more fire-like feeling, and decrease the size, get a more fine-tuned detail. And of course, don't do that too much, because some of the tool will be too much, and you don't want that. Okay, so yeah, if you think my video is helpful, do please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, see you next video. Bye.